Oh, good old daylight savings time. Thank goodness it only comes around twice a year. Wow, that's a lot of watches to move forward. Thank goodness we have the entire morning, because this is going to take a while. Let's get started. Where do we begin here? What the heck was that? Wow, that was a weird dream. Hey, you guys are still here. I think it's time to kill the Casio. Extreme situations require extreme measures. I'm going to call out to the UK, calling out to one of my subscribers, and we're gonna get this thing killed once and for all, man. I'm done.
Hey, Average Joe,
hey,
how
bud.
you doing? Hi, mate. I just want to let you know I've just finished watching your Casio Chronicles.
Man, it's funny that you bring that up, because I'm frustrated here, man. You know, this little Casio, I mean, I bought it for $10 thinking, oh, all right, I'll probably kill it the first episode. You saw episode 1. You saw episode 2. The Casio's still running. We put this thing through a bunch of tests, as you saw. I figured since you have a YouTube channel, you do watch reviews, I figured what better person to reach out to. You have any ideas for me?
I think you need to get radical. You need to do something a bit more intense, a bit more dramatic, a bit more extreme. Let me think. Have you thought about using a hydraulic press?
Hydraulic press? Where can I get one of those at? I don't have one of those.
What about your mechanic? Surely he'd have something like that.
I like that idea. Go on.
While you're there, what might be a cool idea is, what about setting fire to it? I mean, he must have some heavy-duty torches there. I mean, that'll get you some views. I mean, heck, I'd watch that.
Who are you kidding, man? You would actually watch me watch paint dry.
Yeah, maybe I would.
Very helpful, man. I'm glad I spoke to you. You know what? It's actually a really good idea that you recommend the mechanic, because I need to get out of the house anyway, because my woman's still mad at me for that BB gun incident. But you saw episode 2, man. She threw my Casio out the second floor window, man. What gives? But anyway, I'll definitely give that a go, man. I appreciate it. Thanks, mate.
My pleasure. Good luck, mate. Take care out there. See you later. Cheers.
Hey, Tom, I'm going to need you to do something for me.
You spend enough money on your car, man.
No, it's not about my car, man. I'm going to need you to kill this. I know it's an odd request, but
Kill it.
I know you guys can do it.
Like, destroy it.
Yeah.
All right, we can do that for you.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate that. So how are we gonna kill this time?
Well, first thing I'm gonna do is take my fancy battery tender here, hook it up, try not to electrocute yourself.
Oh, sorry, bro. I gotta take this outside for a second. Hello, love. Yes. We are social distancing. Yep. No BB gun this time. Couldn't fit on the bike. Not funny. Okay. I know it's not funny. Yeah. I mean, we're just gonna be using 6,000 degree torches instead. Yeah, I was just kidding. Yep. Alrighty.
Use it up to 12 medium.
Now this machine is used for
Jumpstart cars.
There you go. Both sides are connected.
Yeah. Yeah, and
Electricity is pounding through it.
she's still going.
She's still going. Now, what did you think? Did you think you were gonna kill it right away?
I was hoping. 12 volt high. This is the highest it can go.
This is the highest it can go. Here we go, guys. Wow.
Yeah, no, still going.
I actually thought you were gonna kill this the first time.
So did I.
I'm kind of happy you didn't. Because now.
Still going.
You guys saw the sparks there. So,
I'm still rolling,
so what do you
all right.
think? What do you think of a $10 Casio?
Well, I put 12 volts through it, so
Holy smokes.
kind of impressed that it's still working.
Okay.
Heat test?
He tested it. All right,
I'll
so
go straight for the screen.
So what do you got there?
Brake clean.
Brake clean. All right, here we go, guys. Here we go. Jeez. Oh man, here we go. Wow. I hear something sizzling. Wow. Well,
I think it's still going.
it's melted a little bit.
A little bit, but I think it's still working.
running. It is still running.
We're about to lose screen.
My bet is it's going to clear up and it's going to start ticking again. How hot is that?
It's actually not so,
Not too bad, right?
yeah. Wait a minute. No,
Are you still?
no way.
Oh, I love this. Still running, right?
It's still going. You're not gonna be able to see it on the screen,
It'll clear up.
but it is still going.
I bet you it'll clear up. If not, I do have another watch we can use.
Good, because I want to break out that torch.
Okay.
You gotta be kidding me.
Right? I told you. Look at that.
I can actually even clean up the grease on the screen even more.
I told you. I wish I bet you. I should have been like, for your oil change next time.
Yeah, seriously, man, it's still going.
Wow.
That's insane. I've torched it, and it.
All right, well, I'm glad we did the brake cleaner surface fire first, because we got something for it that I think it's not going to last through.
It ain't not.
I'm not putting any money on this. Oh boy, this looks serious. You're determined now, aren't you?
I'm very determined.
You might kill it on the first try. Still running.
So it definitely scratches.
So not the most scratch resistant, but again, wasn't really expecting it to be. It's kind of a plastic. This is a 20 ton?
Yeah, 20-ton hydraulic press. All right, I'm touching. I'm gonna need to
Put some force into it.
put some force into it. You got your mask
Report.
on, good. I can't believe it hasn't crushed yet.
Wow, man.
That's got to be at least 5 tons on it. Yeah, it's not going any more than that.
Holy smokes. Alright, well, let's see what kind of damage we put to do it. So you say you put about 5 tons in that?
At the very least.
I'm actually very surprised that it didn't just completely
Explode.
explode.
It definitely did get the battery.
Got the battery?
Yeah, unless that's just stress on the plastic.
Wow. I'm impressed by that.
Yeah. Yeah, I think this one actually ended up dying after that. Unless I just can't press the buttons. Yeah, no.
5 tons? At least?
Give or take, yeah. Definitely, at the very least, 5 tons, yeah. But
Pretty impressed, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
very impressed. I gotta admit, this is the first time in my entire career that anybody has ever came to me about breaking their stuff and not fixing it.
Yeah, I guess you've never had anyone pull up to your station and say, hey, can you, I don't want you working on my car today.
Yeah, no, never.
Can you just destroy stuff?
Definitely a good Monday.
First time? Okay,
Yeah,
good.
definitely my first time, definitely a good Monday.
Well, I
On the
appreciate
next episode of Dead or Alive, the Casio Chronicles.